Welcome back to another episode of Stock Talk. My name is Julie, and today I want to talk to you guys about a dividend stock that actually has a split coming up. The stock that I'm referring to is Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. So this is a Canadian bank stock, and it's traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol CM. So they just announced, actually this was back in February, that they're going to be having a split, which is going to be a 2-for-1 split, and that's going to happen sometime in May. And I'll give you the dates a little later, so just stay with me. So Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce is a financial institution which provides banking and wealth management services to personal, business, public sector, and institutional clients. It operates through the following segments. It has Canadian personal and business banking, it has Canadian commercial banking and wealth management, as well as U.S. commercial banking and wealth management and capital markets. And it has a market cap of almost $52 billion. So the stock announced in February that it's going to be doing a stock split, and the stock split, as I mentioned, is going to be a 2-for-1 split. And the split date is going to be on May 6th, but the split is actually going to happen on May 13th. So what that means is you could be buying shares of Canadian Bank on May 12th, which is Thursday, the day prior to the stock split, and you could only buy 50 shares. And then on Friday, which is May 13th, that's when the stock is actually happening, then you would have 100 shares of Canadian Bank. So that's how it works. Or if you already own 100 shares, and now of course you would have 200 shares because it does a 2-for-1 split. So you don't actually have to have the stocks by May 6th. Now you could, of course, if you want, and if you want to take advantage of a possible run up, then you might want to get into the stock sooner. But again, in order to take part of the stock split, you don't have to actually purchase them on May 6th. You could wait until after the stock split if you wanted to. It's just a matter on how you want to trade the stock, and if you're planning on holding this long term, or if this is going to be just a short term trade for you guys. So currently the stock is trading around 114, and I especially like the stock at this price point because it's sitting on the 300-day moving average if you take a look at the daily chart. So to me, this would be a buying signal regardless because it's sitting on the 300-day moving average, which is one of the moving averages I take a look at when I try to buy stocks at a discount. Now let's take a look at the dividends. So the dividend, they're paying over 4% yield, annual yield. So it equates to $1.28 that they pay per share per quarter. So that is a fantastic yield of 4%, and we can see the payout ratio is under 40%. So this is a really great indicator that the stock is doing really well as far as the payout ratio and the dividend yield. Let's take a look also at the valuation. So we can see that the forward PE non-GAAP has a B+ grade, and it's trading roughly at 9.44, which is below the sector medium. So the forward PE is a lot lower than the medium sector. Additionally, the revenue growth has a B- grade, and it's trading at 8.62%, where the sector medium is only trading at 7%. So again, all fantastic factors. And let's go take a look and see what the analyst is saying. So we take a look at that. Again, the stock is trading at 114 right now, and the lowest price target is $131. So that is really a nice upside potential with a median price target of $137, which gives you about 20% upside potential from here. Now, keep in mind, so the stock is going to do a split, so of course that would be half. And keep in mind that when the stock splits, that the dividend payout will also split. So instead of being $1.28, it would now be 64 cents. But it's still nevertheless a 4% yield for the year. So that's still fantastic. I think this is a very conservative and safe stock to purchase. So if you guys are looking to pick up a really good bank stock, I think Canadian Bank of Commerce would be a great contender for that. And here we can see this is a chart that Motley Fool put together. We can see that Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce P ratio is going to be the lowest out of all the competing banks. So again, I think this is absolutely a great contender. Let me know in the comments below if this is a stock that you already had on your radar, and if so, if you are going to be purchasing the stock, or maybe you didn't have it on your radar but you might now consider it. Let me know in the comments below. Either way, I hope you guys got something out of this video. Be sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.